Hey friends, welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, my name's Maggie and today I'm going to go ahead and lead you through a quick fruit salad that takes you less than 10 minutes. So make sure you have all your fruit and veggies washed and chopped. Get yourself a big bowl and add everything into it. So we are going to place arugula, honeydew, strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. And then for our salad dressing is only 2 ingredients, which is cold pressed orange juice and poppy seeds. Go ahead and drizzle it on top, mix it around until well combined, and then go ahead and add your toppings on top, which will be walnuts and this Treeline nut cheese, which is mainly made out of cashews. It has a nice smoky, salty taste, and it's very limited ingredients with no sugar, which is a complete plus, especially considering that I am doing a no sugar challenge for the next 60 days. So this is the finished product. I know it looks delicious and it tastes even better. So give it a go, let me know what you think. All the ingredients will be in the description and let me know what you'd like to see next. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys, have a good one.